Here we have a 2020 Barletta Tri-Toon C 22QC. This boat is powered by a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. The trailer is included in the sale, and this boat is in mint condition. This boat only has 38 hours on it. Has always been stored inside. Has the tan exterior, tan interior, dual captain's chair, has the Hook 5 Lawrence. This boat was actually upgraded with a sub and amp to the stereo system. Like with all Barlettas, comes with a power bimini, ski tow on the back, this is a one-of-a-kind find and won't last long. Call Jeremy at SkipperBud's in Bay City today. Thank you.